It's about, well, it's 9 o'clock. Just had this come in, so I'm going to record this, do another unboxing video. So here we go. Y'all can probably already guess what this is. It's always exciting when you get a new animal in. Get this thing unboxed and take you into my snake room and put it into a tub. So this is who I got obviously it's going to be a snake, but this is who I got the snake from. I've dealt with him before, and has nice stuff, easy to deal with, good guy, nice animals. Anyway. This is what they ship a hatchling animal in. This box is like 7 by 7 by 7. So some of my people that aren't snake people, like coworkers and stuff, friends, that tell them I've got a snake coming in. They ask me how, and I said, well, it comes in a box, and they're kind of dumbfounded. They can't believe that they put these animals in a box and ship them, but they do just fine. Fits in the palm of your hand. Feels kind of cool. So this morning it was about 45 degrees out, so came in an insulated box. It was shipped out last night about 8 o'clock, so So what we have here is another Burmese python. This is a normal, and it's a male, and he is double het for green and caramel. He's nice and cool. He'll be just fine. I'll get him in a tub and get him up to 90 degrees, so he'll be just fine. Okay guys, we'll go into the snake room, so follow me. It's nice and warm in here. It feels good in here. It's about 77 degrees and 80% humidity. So I've already got a little tub ready for this thing. These snakes, you can put them in I've seen a lot of people that have a question why their animal's not responding well and it's not eating. And often when they get these, they put them in like a 10-gallon aquarium, a glass cage that has no sides. He's mad right now. And it doesn't isolate the snake at all. And I tell them, man, you should get the thing in a 6-quart tub or a 15-quart tub. But right now, this snake is going to be going into a 15-quart tub. It's in an animal plastics rack. But this is where these snakes do the best, and they don't need a large space. So probably, well, the guy that I got him from probably had this snake in a 6-quart tub, which would be about half the size of the tub that this one's going into. But it'll do just fine. We'll give her a few days, or him a few days, and after about a week or so, I'll probably attempt to feed it. The last snake I got from Charles, after I put him in the tub, I waited till the evening and threw a live rat in there the same day I got it, and she ate. So we'll see what happens. I might try to give him a little food tonight. If I can get him in here. I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to put the snake in here. Here we go. So I'll put him in here, and I will just leave this snake alone. I won't mess with it. I probably won't touch him for a week. I won't have anything to do with him. Let him settle in. These animals, when they're this size, they get stressed out very easily. So I'll just leave them alone. They want to be left alone anyway. So in he goes. And while I'm at it, kind of show you some of these others. Well, actually, this is the last snake I unboxed, so we'll take a look at this one. It's already doubled in size. She is doing very well. So I'm feeding this about every week to 5 days. I think it's been about a week and a half since I fed this one, but it's eating small rats right now. This snake's just a few months old. Okay. There's a couple more snakes. Boa, an albino boa. Burmese. That's all I've got in this rack. Here, I just cleaned this rack out, or these cages. So we have in here. The guys in shed. Burmese. You can get water bowls in there. There's another Burmese. I gotta hurry up because my camera's about ready to stop recording. This happened to me last time I made a video. There's another Burmese. And I've moved some stakes around. I'm breeding some stuff now this year, so I've actually put my big female into a cage, finally. So this snake's like 135 pounds and nearly 16 feet, and she's in a 6-foot cage. She will do very well in that thing. So here's some more. A couple of my Sri Lankans. There's another one. Super Tiger. Dirty cages, I know. Super Tiger. Boa. Nothing in there. There was a male in there. Purple Motley. Here's a couple I've got paired up. So you have a white face, or a white face platinum, and then the male is a platinum head albino. So that'd be a nice pairing to make, possibly of ivories, ultra ivories, or leucistic. There's another retic. Let's see, I get the camera to turn. Retic. Here's a couple I've got paired up. I got about 30 more seconds to go on this video. Here's some more. Very dirty cages. I'm always playing catch up with these guys. Retic. So that's kind of my snake room. One stack. 2 stacks, 3 stacks, 4 stacks, and a rack. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll try to make some more here soon. Have a good day.